name. Almost. They come here to mate, and with almost no natural predators on the island, there are loads of them. Like feathers for peacocks and Porsches for recently divorced cameramen, the feet are a sexual display. They turn blue from compounds in the fish they eat. A well-shod booby can have his pick of the ladies. Hey, you know what they say about a bird with blue feet? He's good at finding food and free of parasites, is what? Yeah. The male walks towards the female, raising his feet and doing the wing thing that all the booby pickup artists swear by. The female does likewise. This is the famous booby dance. It's not the best I've seen, but different strokes. Join in if you know the actions. Finally, it's time for, well, you get the picture. Oh, honestly. He hasn't even taken his shoes off.